drones lighting up the sky in Bamako to mark Mali's independence, projecting the faces of junta leaders and commanders hailed as heroes on state television. Rights groups describe them as war criminals accused of atrocities against civilians. However they're viewed, they no longer fear prosecution by the International Criminal Court because Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger have announced their withdrawal from the ICC, calling it an instrument of neo-colonial repression that delivers selective justice. Many say the ICC disproportionately targets Africans.
It's a responsible decision. These countries are taking their destiny into their own hands to reclaim sovereignty.
The powerful and those aligned with the West never face the ICC. No Western head of state has ever stood before its judges. That makes you think.
Right now, we watch helplessly as Gaza is destroyed by the Israeli state. These are the kinds of crimes the ICC should act on.
In November 2024, the ICC issued arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his defense minister, accusing them of committing war crimes in Gaza. The United States rejected the move and is now pushing for sanction against the International Court. The Sahel country's decision comes weeks after U.S. Republican lawmakers visited the region, where they discussed withdrawing from the ICC. Amnesty International says the move is a backward step in the fight against impunity. It has documented grave abuses by soldiers from the three countries, together with Russian mercenaries, against civilians they were meant to protect.
Those that have to gain, it would be first the perpetrators, but all of those countries and violators of international law that have been committing them with impunity, that have challenged the credibility of the ICC, that have derailed the ability of international justice to function properly, that will benefit from this withdrawal.
The three nations now say they will create their own human rights tribunal, away from The Hague, far from international scrutiny. A dark day for international justice, say rights groups, with victims still waiting to see the perpetrators of crimes brought before a court. Nicolas, Haque, Al Jazeera.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.